A promissory note is a paper or a document that is evidence of the debt owed, and it contains all of the borrower's promises to repay, and it also contains the terms of repayment. In a promissory note, there's a few clauses we need to go over. The first is a prepayment clause. Now, the prepayment clause can be written two ways. It can be written as a prepayment privilege, which allows the borrower to prepay the loan early with no penalty, or it can be a prepayment penalty clause, which requires the borrower to pay a penalty for any principal sums repaid to the lender before they are due. So with a prepayment privilege, the borrower can prepay the loan early and have no penalty. With a prepayment penalty, there's a penalty for prepaying the loan before the lender wants the money. An acceleration clause. This is the clause that allows the lender to call the whole loan due when the borrower is in default. Sometimes we call the acceleration clause the due on default clause, and it allows the lender to call the whole loan due when the borrower is in default. Mortgages and deeds of trusts are security instruments. They secure a loan. These types of documents, mortgages and deeds of trust, are contracts where the borrower pledges the property as security or collateral for the loan without giving up possession of the property. Mortgages and deeds of trust include covenants or promises made by the borrower. Breaking any of these promises is a default and could cause foreclosure. The due on sale clause or alienation clause is the clause that allows the lender to call the whole loan due if the borrower sells the property or transfers title to the property without paying off the loan. So the alienation clause is what prevents the borrower from transferring title to the property without paying off the loan.